are not the friends of the Filipinos. We don't like you. If we did like you, we wouldn't be doing this to you. We are using you. You are a tool, nothing but a tool. And when the tool ceases to be useful, we will discard you. And discard you means usually after a war that devastates you. We are using you to gain some sort of momentary leverage over the Chinese. We will fail. The Chinese will win and you will be destroyed.
Okay, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat mga kaibigan. Napapanahong pag-usapan natin ang pahayag ni former US Intelligence Scott Reiter. Ito ay may kinalaman mga idol dito sa usapin sa West Philippine Sea. And because our government eager to fight the aggression of China in West Philippine Sea. And itong pahayag mga idol ng Amerikano na si Scott Reiter, former US intelligence officer, ay malinaw na manifestasyon para sa ating mga kababayan. Malinaw na manifestasyon para sa sambayanang Pilipino na pag nagpumilit mga idol ang administrasyon ni Marcos, alam na ang kalalagyan ng bansang Pilipinas. And we all know already mga idol, during the past administration of former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte, he always reiterate to Filipino people na ang bansang Pilipinas, pag nagkaroon ng digmaan, Amerika versus China, ang Pilipinas ay magiging battleground between the two superpower nations. And why? Just because Marcos administration always thinking that the Filipino government, that the Filipino nation is cuddled by America. But now, it is clear to Filipino people. Mamulat tayo mga idol. Sapagkat ito na, malinaw ang kanyang naging
engage China and win. We will not beat the Chinese. We cannot beat the Chinese, and we know this. And yet we're using the Philippines to create the conditions of potential conflict with the Chinese. Please understand that for the Filipino people, this is a recipe for disaster. You think America is your friend. So too did the Ukrainian people. And they are dying by the hundreds of thousands. Friends don't let friends die in those quantities. The Ukrainians have been displaced by the tens of millions. Friends don't let friends have their cities destroyed in this manner. Friends don't let friends have families separated, have mothers and children destined to a life of refugee status and perpetual poverty. That's not how friends behave. America has never been the friend of the Ukrainians, and we are not the friends of the Filipinos. We don't like you. If we did like you, we wouldn't be doing this to you. We are using you. You are a tool, nothing but a tool. And when the tool ceases to be useful, we will discard you. And discard you means usually after a war that devastates you. We are using you to gain some sort of momentary leverage over the Chinese. We will fail. The Chinese will win and you will be destroyed. End of story. high time the Filipino people pressure their government to start sitting down and engaging the Chinese government responsibly. China is not your enemy. China is your neighbor. China is your friend. China doesn't want war. And if you would engage China in diplomacy, and as we've all indicated here, America has long since lost the skill set necessary to carry out diplomacy, but the Philippine people can reignite this, to relearn it, to use this skill to prevent a war. But if you continue to behave as colonial subjects, and I know that's a sore subject in the Philippines, because you were the colonial subjects of America. We still view you as our colonial subjects. We don't like you. We don't care about you. We just want to use you. Grow up. Grow up and act responsibly. Take control of your own future. America is not here to help you. America is here only to use you until there's nothing left, and then we will discard you on the trash heap of history.
Conflict. China between Philippines. And the Filipino soldier will defend the nation. But we have a lack of armament to fight our enemy, particular the Chinese government. So saan tayo pupulutin? Saan tayo pupulutin? Yan ang tanong ng taong bayan. And ang hamon ng Amerikano, mga idol, ni Scott Ryder, when the war happened, saan ba tatakbo ang Pilipinas? At sana'y huwag tumakbo ang presidente kung magkaroon ng tinatawag na confrontation between the Philippines and the Chinese government. Tayo ay nasa bansang malaya, mga idol. And we are all happy to experience and express the liberty of every human. Kaya't wag nating hayaang diktahan tayo ng mga politiko na hindi nag-iisip at gusto lang gamitin ang issue ng West Philippine Sea for their ambitious wag, sapagkat kawawa ang ating mga kababayan, kawawa tayong mga Pilipino, kawawa ang mga wala pang muwang na masasakripisyo dahil lang sa tinatawag na selfish ambition of our president. Magandang gabi, mga idol. Isang mapagpalang gabi sa inyong lahat. Naway lagi niyong subaybayan at panoorin ang ating YouTube channel, EPC The Vloggers. At the same time, mga idol, pasubscribe na rin, palike and share. Naway maibigan niyo ang bawat presentation natin ng ating video sa ating YouTube channel. Magandang gabi.